You say where to the say me stay away from Geh Geh nuclear weapon, so you know they Geh Geh nuclear weapon, I mean nuclear weapon, no. You know they way Geh Geh to the apartment or so. You know they there.
I don't tell you,
Lisa.
I not there here for Geh Geh nuclear weapon. I there here for Geh Geh money.
You did.
I love Geh Geh with all my heart, but I love the money.
You love Geh Geh.
I love her with all my heart, but I love the money. I love the pocket. I don't feel this pocket.
When you say love Geh Geh, so how many inches Geh Geh nuclear weapon be?
I love Geh Geh with all my leg. Geh Geh nuclear weapon are 2 inches.
You not see your leg, so you moon like this. I don't know see the girl where you they follow. So another person they pan this girl Toto. Another person they pan this girl Toto.
I swear.
Geh Geh nuclear weapon fast. You can't make big.
You don't see your left as you collect nuclear weapon. See as you still be. You know see as I fair. See how you ugly, Lisa. Geh Geh don't pan your Toto don't make beam. As they see her, so nothing there this place again.
Sarah, my Toto don't make beam.
Yes, and they tell you if Geh Geh leave you today, I know my people put you fast because everything for them don't destroy.
Geh Geh. Now because of you, now make they take this is also. If don't be saying no, that your nuclear weapon way sweet. Me and this girl are mate. This girl they tell me say I hug like you dey pan my Toto for back. I pronounce all this to you. They carry your money to give this girl, and I rest you they beg for me, and they beg doggy for you. They pan my Toto. If you reach it to spend money, you go meet this girl.
Lisa, your Toto don't make
me and Sarah now.
Leave my man alone, Lisa. With this your Toto we don't condemn. So leave Geh Geh for me. I don't tell you.
Sarah, my Toto don't make me.
Yes, your Toto don't make me. Don't condemn.
Video the ambience of Sarah Toto. Make video the ambience of my Toto. Make not one way don't make me.
Check her. Make them see the one way make me. Bring your Toto come. You know that. I make the video the other ambience of the Toto. Make them not the one way don't make me for inside. I don't tell you before. Nah, Abeg Geh Geh, me don't tire for all this kind of thing. Make more settle this matter once and for all. Wait, make Geh Geh choose between me and you. As I know say they come up for here today, I know they come back again. Abeg choose.
See, I not get wait I want to for this rubbish when I do they do. When they insult me. On the 23rd of this month on Saturday, I they open my streaming studio. Make everybody come. Nigeria, you people should come. Oh, make we settle this thing once and for all. Because I know we'll take this nonsense from you. You there after my money, Abi?
Yes.
Don't worry. Now, Toto, don't worry.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.